Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of healthy smoothies to give you a refreshing boost of nutrition and energy. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast option, a post-workout refuel, or simply a delicious way to sneak in some extra nutrients, these 11 healthy smoothie recipes have got you covered. So, grab your blender and let's embark on this flavorful journey together. Our first smoothie is the Green Goddess. Packed with spinach, banana, avocado, and a splash of coconut water, this smoothie is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. It's perfect for those looking to sneak in some extra greens into their diet and boost their energy levels for the day ahead. Next up, we have the Berry Blast. This vibrant smoothie combines antioxidant-rich berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries with creamy Greek yogurt and a drizzle of honey for sweetness. It's not only a feast for the eyes but also a delightful explosion of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. Now, let's talk about the Tropical Paradise. With pineapple, mango, coconut milk, and a hint of lime juice, this smoothie transports you straight to a sunny beach, where the waves crash against the shore and the palm trees sway gently in the breeze. It's like a mini vacation in a glass, providing a refreshing escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. For those craving something indulgent yet healthy, we have the Chocolate Peanut Butter Powerhouse. Made with cocoa powder, banana, peanut butter, and a splash of almond milk, this smoothie satisfies your sweet tooth while still providing a good dose of protein and fiber. It's the ultimate guilt-free indulgence that will leave you feeling satisfied and energized. If you're looking to boost your immune system, try our Citrus Zinger. Packed with vitamin C-rich fruits like oranges, kiwis, and pineapples, along with a touch of ginger for added zing, this smoothie is sure to keep those colds at bay and help you stay healthy all year round. Moving on to something creamy and comforting, we have the Banana Oatmeal Breakfast Smoothie. This filling smoothie combines oats, banana, almond milk, and a sprinkle of cinnamon for a nutritious breakfast on the go. It's like having a bowl of oatmeal in a convenient, portable form that you can enjoy anytime, anywhere. Craving something refreshing and hydrating? Look no further than our Cucumber Mint Cooler. With cucumber, mint, lime juice, and a splash of coconut water, this smoothie is perfect for hot summer days or post-workout hydration. It's like a cool, revitalizing oasis in the midst of a scorching desert, quenching your thirst and rejuvenating your body with every sip. For those who love a good detox, try our Detox Green Machine. Packed with kale, cucumber, celery, green apple, and lemon juice, this smoothie helps to flush out toxins and leave you feeling refreshed and revitalized from the inside out. It's like pressing the reset button on your body, giving you a clean slate to start anew and embrace a healthier, happier lifestyle. Now, let's sweeten things up with our Peaches and Cream Dream. Made with ripe peaches, Greek yogurt, honey, and a splash of vanilla extract, this smoothie tastes like dessert but is still packed with goodness. It's like indulging in a decadent treat without any of the guilt, allowing you to satisfy your cravings while nourishing your body with wholesome, nutritious ingredients. If you're a fan of tropical flavors, you'll love our Mango Coconut Madness. With mango, coconut milk, banana, and a sprinkle of shredded coconut, this smoothie is like a tropical getaway in a glass, transporting you to a sun-drenched paradise where the palm trees sway and the ocean breeze caresses your skin. It's a taste of paradise that will leave you feeling blissfully happy and content. Last but not least, we have our Blueberry Almond Bliss. Made with antioxidant-rich blueberries, almond butter, spinach, and almond milk, this smoothie is both delicious and nutritious, providing a burst of flavor and a boost of energy to fuel your day. It's like a symphony of flavors dancing on your palate, leaving you feeling satisfied and invigorated from the very first sip. And there you have it, 11 healthy smoothie recipes to give you a refreshing boost any time of the day. Which one will you be trying first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and wellness tips. Cheers to your health!